Hello everyone, welcome to the Coder Scripting. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write your first Python program. Python is very much important in day-to-day life. In upcoming generation, Python is very much necessary as the world is transforming into more artificial intelligence models, machine learning, and data science. To write all these programs, you will need a basic language which is Python. Python is very much easy, and the line of code you write in Python is very much like it's very much smaller than the other languages because you have built-in libraries. There are lot of built-in libraries in Python. So it is very much important you learn Python. So this is an editor of PyCharm. Here we will need a first project. So you will need to click on new project. Here we will rename our project as the Coder Scripting. Okay, so we will create the project, and I will open it in new window. This will need a little bit of seconds because it creates virtual environment for every new project. That is very much feasible. It doesn't use your space like if you use some virtual environment in first project and some virtual environment in another project. So this is very much like compatible to use. So we will create new file. We will rename the file as hello.py. py is the extension for Python codes. So we will write our first Python code. Here I am using print. In the double code we will write hello world. So our program is created. See, just a single line of code can print a hello world for you. How much feasible it is, isn't it? So I'm using Python 3 here. If you are using a second version of Python, you will require some different kind of print statement. But Python 3 is much feasible. You should download Python 3 only and write your code in that. So let's see our output. So here hello world is printed. You can see here. Okay, so just install PyCharm, search on Google how to install it. It's very much easy to install it, and install Python 3 compiler. That is also very much easy. You can easily download it and install it. Just write your first code, and in the next video we will see how you can manipulate basic addition, multiplication functions in Python. So see you in the next program, next video. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.